2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6,
You're listening to Ian Cullen's Rock and Roll Special here on the Sounds of Salford.
Hello and welcome to show 25, the 26th of January 2016. As you may or may not be aware, I've made 2 guest appearances on Mike Zodiac's show on All FM and Dynamic Deb's Rock and Roll Diner and Soda Pop Shop. So, in order to say a big thank you to them, I've taken down their 4 favourite tracks. And tonight, for the first part of the show, I'm going to play them 4 favourites of each. Mike, Dave, Debbie and Leslie. Kicking off first with Mike Corrie's favourites, number 1 being I Wonder Why by Dion and the Belmonts.
I love you like I do. Don't know why I love you, don't know why I care. I just want your love to share. I wonder why I love you like I do. Is it because I think you love me too? I wonder why I love you like I do, like I do.
Next up, we got Hank Mizell with Jungle Rock. Had this on at my wedding, quite a popular favourite.
I was walking through the jungle just the other night. Well, I heard a big rumble and I thought it was a fight. Well, I stood and listened and began to move my feet. It was a jungle drummer doing a knocked-out beat. It was a jungle rock. A jungle rock. A jungle rock. A jungle rock. A knocked-out beat and I had to move my feet. It was a jungle rock. Oh, well, I moved a little closer just to get a better view. I saw a chip and a monkey, yeah, doing the Suzy Q. Oh, well, a gator and a hippo was doing the bop. Oh, while a great big frog was making with the hop. It was a jungle rock. A jungle rock. A jungle rock. A jungle rock. A knocked out beat and I had to move my feet. It was a jungle rock. fox grabbed the rabbit and did the bunny hug. And the old grizzly bear was a cutting her rug. Oh, well, a camel was a jitterbugging with the kangaroo. And the elephant a mover with the ring-dang. It was a jungle, 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 jungle rock. 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 I knocked their feet and I had them in my feet. It was a jungle, 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 jungle rock. A jungle, 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 jungle rock. A jungle, 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 jungle rock.
Number 3 for you, Mike, Heart and Soul by the Cleftones from 1961.
Heart and soul, I fell in love with you. Heart and soul, the way a fool would do, madly, because you held me tight. Held me tight, 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 held me tight. And stole a kiss there in the night. Heart and soul, I begged to be adored. Yes, and I lost control and tumbled overboard gladly. That magic night, we kissed, oh we kissed, oh we kissed. Oh, we kissed there in the moon mist. Oh, but your lips were thrilling, much too thrilling. Never before were mine so
Strangely willing.
darling, and now I see what embrace can do. Come on and look at me. You got me loving you madly. That little kiss you stole. You stole. Yes, stole. You stole. You stole. Yes, you stole. All my heart. And soul. Yes, you stole. All my heart. And soul. Yes, you stole. You stole.
Your final choice, number 4, Space Guitar by Johnny Guitar Watson. Hope they're all the right versions for you. Next we move on to Sir Dave Jones. First choice, Dave, That's Alright Mama, Elvis from 1954. Can't beat that, mate. That's the epitome of it all.
Well, that's alright, Mama. That's alright for you. That's alright, Mama. Just any way you do it, that's alright. That's alright. That's alright, Mama. Any way you do. Well, Mama, she done told me. Papa done told me too. Son, that gal you fooling with, she ain't no good for you, but that's alright. That's alright. That's alright, Mama, any way you do. Won't be bothered with me hanging round your door, but that's alright. That's alright. That's alright, my Mama, any way you do. Ah, da da dee 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 dee. I need your loving. That's alright. That's alright, my Mama.
Number 2 in Dave's choice list, Who's Pushing Your Swing by Gene Vincent.
Who's pushing your swing, babe, since I've been gone? Who's pushing your swing, babe, since I've been gone? I know you've been swinging, and you can't swing alone. But low down, crying shame. Low down, crying shame. I know you've been swinging, not calling my name. Whoa, blow! Shame, low down, crying shame. I know you've been swinging, you're not calling my name. Now go. Since I've been gone, who's pushing your swing, babe? Since I've been gone, I know you've been swinging, you can't swing alone. Who's pushing your swing, babe? Since Daddy been gone. Who's pushing your swing, baby? Since Daddy been gone. I know you've been swinging, and you can't swing alone. Oh, you're pushing your swing, honey. Somebody been pushing your swing. I know. Somebody done been pushing your swing, baby.
Dave's third choice is Turn My Back on You by Billy Fury.